The most common variants, or form factors, are as follows. ATX is your classic. It's the big beige box size. It usually features at least 5 expansion slots and a taller chassis. You can find these in mid-tower and full tower configurations, which basically just indicate height. Full towers tend to be easier to work with, but are much more difficult to move around and find a home for, so they've been falling out of fashion. If you're not sure what to buy, an ATX form factor case can accommodate any smaller size motherboard, although installing an ITX motherboard in one of these seems more than a little silly. Although maybe that is an aesthetic that you want to embrace.